So I wanted to kind of wrap up a little bit of my sort of end of year by showing you what is in my makeup bag. My apparently very grotty looking makeup bag, which after this I think I might shove in the wash and give it a clean. This is actually a Clinique gift with purchase makeup bag. I can't remember the last time I paid for a makeup bag. But most of my most recent makeup bags have been Clinique ones. They tend to do really great ones. But this has been in my handbag and it's what I've been taking with me to work. We are now on, what is it, tier 4 lockdown-ness, so no work for me. I'm on furlough. So I was cleaning out my handbag, saw this and thought I'd give it a clean out. And before I did that, I thought I'd show you guys what's in it. Obviously I'm wearing a face mask, so you would think there wouldn't be a whole lot I'd be needing to touch up. But surprisingly, there's an astounding amount of lip products in here. First of all, I have a powder. This is the number 7, it's so old, it's worn off, Cream Touch Powder in Translucent. This is a repress that I'm kind of working my way through. I actually salvaged this out of a declutter pile because I was like, stuff it, this is something that I'm going to use anyway. And I don't see the point in throwing away something just to repurchase it. So I dug it out during lockdown and got rid of all my declutter stuff. And yeah, I've just been working my way through this powder quite steadily. I have a couple of brow products in here. We have the Brow Artist Plumper from L'Oreal, which is, it is mostly on its last legs. It does smell pretty funky, a bit of like really alcohol-y. I would say this is probably done, but I kind of keep it in here anyway, just for touch-ups. They do still make this, but I believe it comes in a smaller tube or a different packaging. It just doesn't look like this anymore, but they still have it. I like this one because it's a brow mascara with fibers, which is handy. And the touch-up brow that I have is the Beautiful Brow Sculpting Pencil from number 7. I keep this one mostly because it has a spoolie. I like the spoolie. And I don't touch up my eyebrows very often, but you see I've got quite a bit of product left in here. Sometimes if I've gotten to work and not put on makeup, I will throw on a bit of a brow just to look a bit more alive, because when you're covered up to, and my masks, one second, I'll grab one. These are the masks I wear for work. They cover up pretty much my entire face. So it literally, like, this is all you're seeing. So yeah, a brow is a must. I also go very crazy with eye makeup sometimes. People like it. So yeah, it makes people happy. Do I have any other like brow products in here? God, this bag really needs a clean. It just smells so bad. No, I don't think I have any brow products in here. I do have a random spoolie in here as well, so maybe I don't need to keep the number 7 one in here. I have 3 brushes, which need a damn good clean. A bronzer brush from Real Techniques, which I use for powder. An angled contour brush from Sigma, which I used to keep a blush in here, but I don't have one in the moment. And then this guy is the contour brush. Yes, from Real Techniques. It's starting to get a bit gummy around the handle. But I use this for touching up concealer and stuff. So there we have that. I have an eyeliner. This is the black brown eyeliner from, black brown eyeliner from Avon, which only has this much left. Oh wow, I didn't even notice. Just been kind of sitting in here and getting used. I have a lip liner. The rest of in here, oh wait, before we dive into the lip products, I do have one other face product, and that is the Yves Saint Laurent concealer from the All Hours range. But the rest of this is lip products, which for, you know, a time period where we're not wearing, where we're covering our mouths, wearing lip products is kind of odd, I suppose. I have a lip liner in Nude from Estee Lauder, which needs a bit of a sharpen. I have a couple of matte lip cream type products. I have a lip paint in Dead Lips from L'Oreal. It's actually quite similar to the packaging. Yeah, it pretty much matches the packaging colour. And we have a liquid suede in Soft Spoken from NYX, and London Soft Matte Lip Cream from NYX. And then I have a bunch of, oh no, I've got one more liquid lipstick type product from Avon. This is in the Power Stay in Resilient Red. I wanted to try this and see if it would stay on a bold colour and not transfer to my mask. It does, however, it doesn't reapply very well, and it does that thing where your lips will stick and then it'll peel a bit off, like patches around your mouth, which isn't very great when you want to whip off your mask and have a glorious red lip. This isn't not working. I'm just gonna get off of my feet. Excuse the mess behind me. I'm trying a different filming situation. I need to get a chair for here, and I need to move this. It's fine. This is probably the cleanest background that isn't my chest of drawers you've ever seen. So let's not complain. Let's not complain. And then we have 5 lipsticks. I have one from Avon in Barely Peach. This is one of their... Oh crap, the whole thing just came flying out of the tube. Ha! I was going to say it's quite drying, and clearly the bullet is quite dry. Let's just ram that back in there. But it is a beautiful shade of peach. I like to throw this on over a lip balm, so it just has like a hint of colour. The rest of them are quite glossy nudes. This is Beige Mirage from Lancome, which I've used a fair bit of that, and it's taken quite a beating. One from Clinique in Beige Pop, which again has taken quite a beating. I'm actually amazed at how much of these lipsticks I've used, just having them in my makeup bag and just using them as lip balm. This is a Vice lipstick in Trance. That is what they're called, isn't it? MTK Vice lipsticks. I could be wrong. But this is in Trance. It's one of their metallized ones. And again, given that some good love. Clearly not as much as the other ones, but definitely a good deal. And then lastly, I have a Pure Colour Envy lipstick from Estee Lauder in Intense Nude, which I haven't used quite as much, but I love this one because it has a weird, like, almost chocolatey smell. It's really yummy, like cocoa butter, I think. But yeah, so those are all the lip products and makeup products I have kept with me throughout all of my time back at work, doing all my touch-ups, and of course, gotta have my lip products, even if I'm just using them as lip balm, because they still, even though some of it transfers onto the mask, it does wash off when I throw them in the machine. It does mean when I take off a mask for when I finished work, or if I'm about to have my break, I still have some like coloured sheen on my lips, and it keeps them hydrated and stops them getting all like grotty. So there we go. I hope this video was somehow interesting, give you a little peek inside how I use my products in some way. Anyways, I just fancied sharing it with you, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye.